Hey guys, this is an embellishment book inspired by crafting with Lillier. I'll put her link down below. Lots of inspiration. I'm just showing you the sides and then the butterfly and the rosettes in the front of the bag. And this is an old collection from, I think, Create Paper. I just put Create in the front and a sticker from Tim Holtz. And right there you can see the front pocket, some die cuts that I cut from the paper collection and I put in there so that the recipient can use for die cuts. I also punched using the paper collection some page tabs, just fold it over and then you can put a sticker or label it, and some labels that I stamped and cut apart, and some additional stuff that is in that pocket, and some more die cuts as also part of the collection, which is super fun. This collection is so put together. Here's some more die cuts, some banners, some journaling tags that the recipient can use. Some more. They're so cute, and the paper is very thick, which is awesome. You're gonna see a sequin mix on the other side. Just what I have in my stash, and also a paper clip that I cut from the paper. So it's a little bit embossed with foam dimensionals right there. And of course my favorite paper bow. I put 2 in there and some buttons also from the collection. And the last part is some rub-ons, and I added the stick right there so that she can use it. I hope you enjoy. I hope you try it out. It's easy and it's easy to follow, and it's super awesome to give away to your crafty pals. Bye! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.